Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm doing a collab with my friend Liliana, and she also has a YouTube channel called Liliana slash loser, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, and we are going to be creating a new account, which I'll do right now, and I'll keep my main on a tab just so that we can like keep talking, and we're going to be trolling as hackers. So hopefully people actually think that we're hackers, but I need to make myself look like a hacker. So I feel like a hacker would have like this um bright green lips, maybe. Let's make the eyes like bright red. That looks perfect. Really ugly. I'm gonna use something like this. Or what about this? A new add-on. Okay. And for t-shirts, let's just use this and then this. But we'll put it in a different color. Let's just say red. Yeah, that looks great. And then white. No, green. Green will be way better. So my name is I will pack you 123 and the password is lol123 if you really want this account. But I doubt you will. Okay, I'm back, losers. Okay, mine is I will pack you 123. Come on, oh my gosh. I will pack you 123. Oh, I will pack you 123. No spaces. Okay. Okay, so let's go to the chat room. Also, my status update, just don't mind that. Don't mess with me, bitches. I'll pack you, no problem. So, wow, this guy's single. Interesting. But I doubt if I girlfriended him, or whatever you want to call it, I would, yeah, you kind of know where I'm getting at. So I put OMG, the girl over here packed me before, stay away from her, but I couldn't fit it. I will pack you all. Angry face. OMG, hacker, bye, bitches. Okay, so it turns out she did hers on the US and I did mine on the NZ server, so that's really relevant. Well, never mind. Anyway, let's just prank some more people. So let's go to the Surfer Cafe, and I will do that on this account as well. Oh no, people are here. Well, that sucks, doesn't it now? Let's just level up a little. Seriously, MSP, please. Oh no, this is gonna like make a really loud noise, isn't it, when they burst? I would block your ears if I were you. I don't know if it's going to, but let's just log out and then log back in. Okay, so I'm back in the account and I'm going to prank some more people. So I could just turn the sound down, but that would not be necessary. Well, actually, yeah, it would be. It would be necessary, trust me. Okay, let's just open all these gifts. And oh no, not more lag, please. Oh, good, the Bob. This is like a really prank hackerish thing. Okay, and in this bright green. It's raining outside if you can use some rain, but you probably can't, but just if you can, then it is. Sorry, I've got a cough. So, let's go to the beach chat room, and I will do HDR hate tags. Okay, let's go to the beach then. Well, she went offline, so I'm pretty much alone now. Okay. OMG, that girl with green hair packed me just before. Okay. Let's give you an angry face. Yes. Yes, really. No, not really, but yes. Also, if you're looking up here at my money, I do not have that many. Okay. That means she could pack you guys as well, you realize? Fake. Yeah, fake. Okay, I guess it didn't look that convincing. So I did say that it was a YouTube video. Okay, but let's go prank some more people now. Okay, skate park. There will be quite a few people there, hopefully, that I can prank. So, yeah, let's get into this. So, oh no, this girl was in the other chat room before. Patrol. Handsome. Okay, sorry about that. Let's go to the other beach. Let's see, do they have any more beaches? No, they don't. Do they have any more cafes? Apart from these two? Girl, reply to me. Hello. Goodbye. Okay. I'll be right back. Oh my god, I didn't delete that. You see, I became part of the Scream team before. Interesting, right? Yeah. And, oh my gosh, stop spamming me. No, it's fine, you're my friend. I don't really care. Well, okay, did you make another one on US? No, I was busy pranking other people. One of them. Wait, what did that other girl say? I don't know. Anyway, oh my god. Hey, want an auto? No thanks. Well, oh, sure. Okay, now. So I need to change my outfit because I do not look appealing at the moment. Okay, let's see. I'll probably just stick with some of the same things that I was just wearing, but thanks for the auto, DNA21. Okay, let's see. What should I wear? I usually always wear that cap, though. I'll be right. Okay, so I'm done and I look okay now, which is easy. Anything else that looks even better? Nope. I like going with the theme black and white. I guess that looks kind of cute, but nope. I like what I'm wearing. Looks like a uniform, which is kind of cute, but which is not cute. But I go to a school anyway where there is no uniforms, but not anymore. I go to a new school now, and there is uniforms. Well, I haven't started there yet, but it's the holidays, and yeah, I'll be moving up. Technically, I'm a year 8 now, but if I'd started on my birthday, I'd be a year 8 now, but I'm just a year 7 now, so back a year, unfortunately. But that doesn't stop me because I am a year 8 in reality. Okay, enough talking. So let's see, is there, oh, okay, the people have gone out of the ones, okay. Okay, which one is she in? Unicorn Skate. Unicorn Skate. OMG, the girl with green hair packed me before. Let's give you a face quickly. Shout out to Oh My God, It's a Cow for the amazing name. Name on point.
You'll be here very soon.
Mom, you just ruined my video. Sorry about that, but my mother always ruins my video. So, yeah, name 1.0. My God, it's a cow. Name 1 point. Oh, why does... I hate MSP. I'm just gonna cry. Well, actually, no, I'm not gonna cry, but anyway. I'm gonna ask her, have you done your... Have you... Oh, can I have an order, please? Wait. It has to be a gift. What gift? Do you have to gift me for the here? Hi, can I have an order, please? No, you can't have an order because you're spamming me. So many autographs. I'm overwhelmed. Okay. Have you finished your video? Okay, that failed. Video. I do have to go though because my friend will be here soon. That's what my mum was saying. And I haven't seen her since kindy, so yeah. Let's just, well, I have seen her, but I haven't hung out with her. I'm gonna log off this and screen recorder, and yeah. Also, please, 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 please follow me on my Instagram. It is femke.annie_. I can show you. Instagram. Did she? I'll just get to it so that you know how to spell it. So, femke.annie right here. Just please follow requests. I already said approved. Okay, thank you. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my video. If you did enjoy it, even if you didn't, please like it. Because yeah, it would make me so happy. And subscribe to my channel because why not? Okay, no, only just started. What about you? I just finished. Okay. Well, anyway, see you later. Bye.